By the time this manufacturing site reached 800 customer complaints, everyone thought they knew the answer. Experts were called in, machine settings were adjusted, variables were changed, sometimes on gut feel alone, and yet the problem didn't go away. This defect, known as orange peel, was quietly costing the business over $2 million a year in scrap, rework, and lost labor. That's when a core team of problem solvers were brought in to stop guessing and start thinking differently. Instead of chasing symptoms, we applied a structured DMAIC approach. We defined the problem, built a cross-functional team, and let data, not opinions, lead the way. Operations, maintenance, engineering, quality, procurement, and even a key resource from the technology lab worked together to narrow more than a dozen variables down to the vital few that actually mattered. And by listening to the people closest to the process, the line operators, we uncovered something that no expert had seen. A critical piece of equipment had been installed backwards for nearly 2 years. Within 4 weeks, defect rates dropped from 5,000 ppm down to under 1,000. This is the power of lean thinking when teams replace intuition with discipline and problems finally start to disappear.